Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be explaining the driver application of the platform, Go Rapid Food platform. So this is the driver application that we have, as you can see on the screen. So as a driver, I have already logged in, but from my credentials. But during the registration process, driver has to submit all the details, and after the registration is completed, the admin has to verify the driver details, and then the driver gets logged in. So over here, as you can see, that I already logged in from a particular credentials that I have, that is demo food driver, my profile name. So as a driver, I'll be able to view on my profile, I'll be able to view the details of my profile, like phone number, my email address, and the current address that I have defined. I'll be able to edit the photos and the name on from this section. Here I can see the payment details that I have updated. So if I click on the updated payment, and I'll see the payment details along with the number over here. So this is the basically the demo food driver. So it's there are some of the things that as per the will be understand by you once you register yourself as a driver. So now moving on further, here we can see the wallet details of the driver. So I'll be able to see the total balance of the drivers over here, the amount. If I wanted to add on my particular wallet, I can type the amount details and click on the add button. I click on the add money and choose the payment method that I have, and it will be added to my account. I can also able to view my documents like the KYC details that I have, the license number, the license experience, the license image, and other details that has been added by the admin. So if I have any if I need any support, so I can just directly contact the admin over here by the contact information, email address, or I can send the message to the admin, and over here I'll be able to log out the system. Now let's move on for the other section, the vehicle section. Here I'll be able to view the list of the vehicle, or the vehicle details that I have, or vehicle information. I'll be able to update the vehicle information from this section. So over here I have black bike QWERTY, and here I can see the image over here, vehicle image. So I'll be able to delete and update the vehicle information from this section. So here comes the my home section. As I can see that I'm online right now, if I click on this offline button, so I will get the driver gets offline, and no request will be sent to the driver, and so that's why so that's the main purpose of it. Now I'm clicking on go online, so I'm available right now online, and I'll be able to see the area on the map where I'm available. And from this section I'll be able to view the bookings that I have received previously from the past bookings, and total upcoming bookings if I have any. And the past bookings, I'll be able to click on the booking section, and I'll be able to view the details of the bookings along with the restaurant details, the customer details, order details, items totals, delivery charges, tax, and other things, and total payment. And from this sections I'll be able to view the earnings that I have. I'll be able to check the earnings history. By clicking on the history section, I'll be able to view the total balance amount and total amount that I've got, the date of the retail description, where it has been credited in my wallet or it's been credited in my Stripe account, and I'll be able to view the type, like it's been credited or debited from the account. I'll also click on the last 7 days, and I'll be able to view the revenues of last 7 days along with the orders that I have accepted, rejected, completed. And here I can click on the today's section. I'll be able to view today's earning, and how many orders that I have accepted, how many I have completed, and how many have been requested from the customer side. So this is the overall driver platform. Now let's move on further, and I'll be explaining you the complete flow of the driver, customer, and vendor panel. How does it work in the system? Thank you.